Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is me, I'm Chandra Gatsam, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing the story of Paul. So this is my Paul. Well, I opened it now instead. So first is this squishy pet dogs or cat dogs. This is squishy shop. This is what it's like. The squishy. So this is the natin. I read this natin. Yeah. So next one is this one. So and this the blinks. Well, the season. So the dumplings. So I rate this natin also. You like this? This fruit, they call it chicken they also with dessert base. Banana, this berry, peach, avocados, grape, the purple one, this is orange, and this is peach. It is tomato. It is tomato. Yeah, it is tomato. I love this fruity. I love this so pretty. And I love it. So yeah. So next one is this. I like this one. I love this one. And then hair clip. And yeah, here. Just like that. Cute though. Cute. Well, I rate this on the all my stuff I rate this